Differentiation of logarithmic is very easy. Just follow this formula.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. So today guys, let's continue our topic about the differential calculus. So now, let's differentiate logarithmic functions. So if we're going to get the derivative with respect to x of ln of x, this is equal to u prime over u. So u is x and u prime is the derivative of x, which is 1. So this is equal to 1 over x, because u prime is 1 and u is x. Hence, the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. How about the derivative of the function y equal to ln of sine x? So u is sine x. U prime, or the derivative of sine x, is cosine x. It means the derivative of ln of sine x is equal to cosine x over sine x, which is the same in cotangent x. So y prime, or the first derivative, is equal to cot x. So this is the first derivative of the function y equal to ln of sine x. So how about for the function f of x equal to ln of tangent x? So u is tan x. So u prime will be the derivative of tan x, which is secant squared x. Hence, this is equal to u prime over u, which is tangent secant squared x over tangent x. So this is the first derivative of the function fx equal to ln of tan x. How about the derivative with respect to x of ln of x squared? So u is x squared and u prime is the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. Hence, this is equal to u prime over u, which is 2x over x squared, and the same in 2 over x. So we can cancel the x. Hence, this is the derivative of ln of x squared. Another one. How about the derivative with respect to x of ln of sine x squared? So u is sine x squared. So u prime, what is the derivative of sine x squared? Using chain rule, this is equal to 2x cosine x squared. Hence, the first derivative is equal to u prime over u, which is 2x cosine x squared over sine x squared. So this is the derivative with respect to x of ln of sine x squared. So last example. The derivative with respect to x of ln of, let's say, secant x. So u is secant x and u prime, or the derivative of secant x, is secant x tan x. Hence, this is equal to u prime over u. So, secant x tan x over secant x. And this will be cancelled. Hence, the derivative of ln of sec x or secant x is only equal to tangent of x. Because if we're going to integrate with respect to x of tangent x, this will be back to ln of secant x. So, the differentiation of logarithmic is very easy. Just follow this formula. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on.